Next question is question number 2.63. The bromine atom possesses 35 electrons. It contains 6 electrons in the 2p orbital, 6 electrons in the 3p orbital and 5 electrons in the 4p orbital. Which of these electrons experienced lowest effective nuclear charge? So before we move into solving this problem, one is we will write what data is given to us. Second is we need to know what this term means, effective nuclear charge. So what is the terms given to us in a question? One is it contains 35 electrons. Second is 3 orbitals are mentioned to us. We have 2p, we have 3p and we have 4p. So we have 4 orbitals in which varying number of electrons are there. Now, next one is what is effective nuclear charge? So here in the center of my nucleus, of my atom, I'm going to have nucleus. Alright, surrounding them is electron. So I'm going to have this one, then I'm going to have the second one, and then I'm going to have the third one, and I'm going to have one more, which is fourth one. Now why did I draw this? Alright, so here I'm going, the first one is for n is equal to 1, the second is for n is equal to 2, the third is for n is equal to 3, and the fourth is equal to n is equal to 4. Why I drew 4 is because we have up to 4p. Now what does this term effective nuclear charge mean? Nuclear charge meaning electrons will be the charge where the nucleus has an influence on the electron. What is the influence the nucleus has on the electron is nothing but the nuclear charge. Now when you say that there is more nuclear charge, less nuclear charge, what does it mean? When the electron is close to the nucleus, we say that they have more effective nuclear charge, which means the electron is very close to the nucleus and it is under the influence of the nucleus. When the electron is somewhere and n is equal to 3 or n is equal to 4, what is happening? The distance of this particular electron to the nucleus is more. Distance is more. So what is happening here? Because the distance is more, the influence of this nucleus on the electron here is the least. So there the effective nuclear charge is going to reduce. So now among these 3 orbitals, we need to say which of the orbital has the lowest effective nuclear charge. So as per the definition of nuclear charge, we can write down the orbital closest to the nucleus experiences more effective nuclear charge. Alright, so this is a statement that when the orbital is close to the nucleus, the electron will experience more effective nuclear charge. So here I have 2p. So that means quantum number 2. The electron will lie here. Then I have 3p where it is in the quantum number 3. And then I have 4p where it is in the quantum number 4. So here, since 2 is quite near to the nucleus, its effective nuclear charge is much higher than n is equal to 3. 3 is little farther from 2, so n is equal to 3. If there is any electron there, the effective nuclear charge is going to reduce when compared to n is equal to 2. The least will be experienced by n is equal to 4 because it's way far from the nucleus, that the effect from the nucleus is very less. So the electron in the n is equal to 4 quantum state will experience the least effective nuclear charge. So here we can say out of the 3, 4p experiences the lowest effective nuclear charge. So this way, if any orbital is given, you can easily identify which one experiences more and which one experiences less.